Yan, nag-ano yung ano niya, kumakawag na yung paa.
Pero kailangan may kasama siya.
Kahit wala. Nag-ano yan. Mayabang yan.
Hi. Hi. Where are you going? I have to outlook project. Yeah. You look so good. This is my sister, Tita Emma. Now, we're in Alabang? Yeah. Okay. But up to this afternoon?
Yeah, early after, Wednesday,
Okay.
or this week.
You have classes pa on Saturday? You came from the school?
So,
Wow. Like it? Huh?
He takes off my hand eh, pero ano eh, nakakaswallow siya ng water.
Ayaw niya na hawakan mo siya? Yabang nga eh. Diba? Pero you want ano naman?